Hello everyone. Let's talk about what I do today. And it's something sounds so familiar. I do my yoga and I do my all kitchens work and I do my all activity with related with children and my family. That's all. This is my daily routine. And let's talk about something different. What I did in different. What I learned something different. Look, when I go the site of deep learning, there are many courses are available already, and I want to enroll in that situation in that courses. Then I found that I have no idea about Python code and about all computing system. How how I enroll this? But I want, but I don't know. This is the conflict, and I find myself that no, this is not a right time to enroll in these courses. They are available, at least you know where is the site, where is the true site are available for the learning. It's okay. Just make sure that being a, being a being a strong point, and make sure that be a well command on your English writing and as well as speaking as well as listening. Most important that. And in the Python you are not heard any sentences about this and any vocab. Sometimes these vocab are so tremendous, even I have no idea about it, but it's okay. Just fulfill your one potential is your English learning. Once you cross this English learning, then you are able, and then many opportunities are opened up for you. So try to understand these things. This is your learning process, and this is your preparing process maybe. Yeah, so after a long time you can be able to talk anyone, and you can be able to write anything in particular space. Wait, when you had idea about what is the topic, and you will, and you lived it, then you absolutely are good in writing in this topic. And whatever things is that you are not experienced anything, how can you write? Not, it's not a magic. Just to being yourself, just be familiar about these topics whatever you choose. And most important that you have to read articles. You are not reading articles, only reading book. Reading book is good for developing your speaking skill, but during your speaking skills you need to read articles that will give you a new approach to structuring a good sentence. This is the range of my learning process, and I have to make sure that I have to a patience girl, and I have a great determination all about this. You have to acquire this. And most important things is that deep learning. You have to do your work with deeply and understand the narrow situation, understand the narrow point. It may be take over the year, over the 2 3, maybe all what happened, nothing. If you are able to do this, then nobody can stop you. And this is the whole things of my learning process. I want, I do it. I am in actionable mood. Look, I'm not go out for any activity, but I do it with my self study. This called a self study. Before a time, not after a long time, I have no idea about self study, but as we read the book, then I realized that there is something about self study. There is something is endowment about self study. So this is my whole topic of today, and I invest myself to learning, and I hope, and I'm sure that it will give me a remarkable result after a long time. Yes, because experience is much matter. in these all process. And it might sound like so budging, but it's okay. Take a time, live with your desire, and after that you will be remarkable. So today is my conversation, and I hope this conversation make clear about it, and this conversation will give you a clearance. Okay, bye bye.